Meaning of druggist.
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 Druggist. A druggist is a person who owns or works in a store where prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as other health-related items, are sold. Druggists, also known as pharmacists, are responsible for dispensing medications to patients, ensuring that the prescriptions they receive are accurate and safe. They may also provide advice and guidance to customers on how to properly use their medications and manage their health conditions. In addition, druggists may be involved in compounding medications, conducting drug research, or working in hospitals and other healthcare settings.